Hey guys, this is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. I'm beyond thrilled to share some exciting news for this channel. A fantastic new team is on board, dedicated to taking our community to the next level. In the coming days, you'll see some major expansion of content, including tutorials on even more tools in the Adobe Creative Suite, as well as cutting-edge AI-powered applications. And we're not stopping at images. Get ready for in-depth tutorials on video, audio, and more, just like so many of you have requested over the years. Building this community has been an incredible 14-year journey for me and a true honor. Even though you'll be seeing less of me on this channel, I'll still be around YouTube. In the meantime, thank you so much for your unwavering support, and I appreciate you more than I can say. And remember, be well, take care, and be kind.